Atumna kalulema jai company loka Hawaii Technologies itosomaite amotokake airimorit ai tutori o district an lukoteso adaunila pe wangon kesi aponi Etolomu na ko katakwibian atuptone president Jessica Alupo apolo kita subananu kalaro na district.
The youth are very strong pillars in any government, including government of Uganda. So I want you to go back when you know that government trusts you, government values you, and government's expectations of you are very high. In short, use the ICT knowledge you have acquired to make a positive difference in your life. And when you make a positive difference in your life, you become a mentor, you become an example in your community. And the ICT knowledge you have acquired will help you also to make friends. But I would like to guide that when you are making friends, make the friends with a motive, with the objective, and the objective of creating wealth.
This definitely, as the chair, my colleague chairman has said, will go a long way to help our people on employment, on skills they have learned, and I know we are not taking it for granted, Your Excellency. So when you get back to Kampala, tell His Excellency the President, on behalf of the people of Teso, I am saying we are very grateful for this initiative.
I wanted to bring the same proposal to my colleagues and the rest of us who are here. You see, these youth are not many. Now that they have got a skill, but we needed to support them. The other way we will be able to boost their skills would be by identifying this group and we directly benefit them in the subsequent PDF that is coming. If we give 1 million to each of them, now that they are skilled, I'm very sure they will be able to utilize it. But it's an opinion because I know there are guidelines. I think we can be able to take that, it will be able to help us. Thank you so much.
Abalasela C5CB mamekoto atumnakalu aitosomo do kwanam acho akechena amoromora itungo lago.
Ikota nebe bwekine solution mataesi tomaso amshoit. Ane salak teso kila Uganda kerite anyo. Nunyo eka anyo najuksho. Anyo nameda nilo soni keradomo. Akauro na isalu mnashomana. Ogionetesi I working tomaso amshoit. Ana mumsi kwa tomaso amshoit. Inaiso ido itaje enani loka urobe edutoka remuna. Ali medogo kwa kite kilo ashomete nyapo tadomoto. So Koto says around ambassadors who require at least to solid become the ambassadors to motivate the other youth who have not yet benefited, because they will be seeing from you.
That's who have chosen from morning to midnight or past even midnight. They do nothing but just talk about politics. I don't know how they get their data. Some people say they are given data. But if we use that data to create employment, many of us are busy watching what we call, is it a TikTok? All that is a skill of someone. And by you watching those things, you are creating employment for someone. We can use the same and be able to create skills for ourselves.
Aladisi katakwi Godfrey Katamba lorucho kita ina petanu koteso ngesi abala ebe egangita pugana ina petanu noi kanwaike onatumunak.
The program, Your Excellency, was launched in Katakwi in Boma Grounds on 4th October 2023 by yourself. Further, the training was conducted in various zones in Teso sub-region by Hawaii Technologies with support from Ministry of ICT and National Guidance and Ministry of Gender, Labor and Social Development. A total of 1,136 youth attended the training from 4th October to 26 January 2024. This is in furtherance of the philosophy of the 4-sector model.
This project is a 3-year project. When we launched it, we made it very clear to the public that this is a 3-year project. It was officially launched in Uganda on International Women's Day in 2023. So since it's a 3-year project, this is still within the 1 year, and once we are able to complete all the other regions, we will be able to come back within this same region. For those who are not able to make it within the first cohort, we will definitely welcome them in the second cohort, and also welcome and onboard new people within the region to benefit from these skills.
Elos kita project ilo ay tutura tumunak ilukum ni tomon ko kariuni. Kopekwa na atumunak Adepar ilukum ni arak patakan aboisho nuka busoga tawana kwa Uganda kateso eja cheda kesi adaonda ay tutur. Relax Emi Alomu TV is Kokatakwi.